Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel Eat You. Today we're going to be making carrot cake with honey, mascarpone, cinnamon filling. First you want to line your tin with parchment paper so that it doesn't stick. Let's prepare our ingredients. First we have 225 grams of light muscovado sugar. Crack 3 large eggs in a separate bowl. Here we have 225 grams of self-raising flour, so we don't need any more baking powder or baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon into the flour, as well as some nutmeg and a pinch of salt.
No, focus on the salt. Make it focus.
Manually. Okay, here.
Dude.
Wash and grate 200 grams of carrots. We're gonna coarsely grate this carrot into small pieces. Next, measure out 225 grams of vegetable oil. We are using coconut oil. We're also chopping up some nuts. Here we have almonds, hazelnuts, and walnuts. With all our ingredients done, now we preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In our stand mixer, beat together the 3 eggs until it's very light and fluffy on medium to high speed. Incorporate the sugar in little by little so that it mixes well. We're gonna do the same with the oil, slowly pouring it in so that it's well incorporated. Electrocuted?
Yeah.
This should be the consistency. Now we're gonna incorporate the flour just like before, little by little, until everything is well mixed together. Don't worry if it looks liquidy or runny. We're gonna add more ingredients later. Add in the carrots and mix well with a spatula.
The carrots look crispy.
Next, add 2/3 of the nuts. We're gonna save some for decoration. This should be the consistency of your carrot cake batter right now. Now that the mixture is done, we're gonna add this to the tin, and you can choose a circular one if you'd like, but we decided to go for a rectangular one. You can see me on the background. Now we're gonna bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. You can see that the cake has risen well and it's also golden brown. Cool this completely while we make the icing. For the filling, we're gonna whip together 300 milliliters of whipping cream as well as 50 grams of mascarpone and 1 tablespoon of honey. When this cream has reached soft peaks, we're gonna add in 30 grams of icing sugar, and make sure you put this through a sift so that there's no bumps or clumps, I mean. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon into the mixture as well. Continue whisking this until it reaches hard peaks. Now that the cake has cooled, we're gonna cut off the tops of one of the cake so that we can stack it on top of each other. We're also going to cut this cake into 4 pieces, so half each of them. Place the cream in a piping bag and pipe on top of each layer of the cake. Using a spatula, I forgot what this is called, but using this you can smoothen it out and make sure that each layer has an even coating of icing. So instead of icing all of the layers at once, we're gonna stack 2 of them together and then a 3rd one before icing that layer, and then placing the 4th layer on top. Once everything is stacked together, we're gonna put more icing on top to make a rustic look, like a I think it's like a naked cake or something.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So this is the final product. It doesn't look that great, but I assure you it tastes amazing. You can top it off with some nuts to make it look a bit more decorated or not, it's up to you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Bye!